Hello, good day guys. This is the Cruiser LC200 to LC300 conversion kit in black. As you can see, this is complete with steering wheel, center armrest, center console. This is rear AC vent, end of the tunnel, some more brackets. This is side cushion for the side. This is the DVD. Can use open the plastic from here. We just keep it on. Center console, gear shifter knob, it's already coming together. Side panels, vertical. Okay, there is a push start button. It comes separately here. This one. All right. So there is the one pad is there. There is a wooden trims already equipped. Same color as the steering wheel. Upper speaker. All right, this one is with USB. See, closing very well, very smooth working. Another one. Control, I believe this one is for the shifter. Then there are a lot of wires. Okay. A lot of them, yeah. It's optical fiber cables. There's some control unit over there. Another adapter, so you can see LC200 to a 300 conversion. This is GXR. Optical fiber again. Another control unit. All right. Another cables. LC200 to 300 adapters. As you can see. So this is just sample. This is just cables here. As you can see how many of them, yeah. Inner door handles. Completely, they are replacement type, not just covers.